Hey everyone, this is Rick from RVGettingThere.com, your free RV travel concierge, with today's Road Trip Candy. Now, if you don't know, they're called Road Trip Candy because they are treats to stop at. Stretch your legs and put a big old smile on your face. This place, I'm guessing, isn't on your bucket list, but it really should be because it's a great place to take a break from the monotony of a long day driving. And best of all, as I said, you'll put a smile on everyone's face and not to mention a memory or two. Now today we're going to travel to the state of Connecticut in the town of Orange to 35 Prindle Hill Road. This is the Pez Visitor Center. If you aren't familiar with Pez, they are the brick-shaped candy that is housed in a stackable container with delightful heads that you push back to get a piece of candy. This place is amazing, over 4,000 square feet of Pez. The building houses the largest, most comprehensive collection of Pez memorabilia on public display in the world, like a life-size Pez motorcycle built by Orange County choppers, the world's largest Pez dispenser. You can play Pez trivia games and look at the interactive historical Pez timeline. You can also see Pez being made Monday through Friday in their viewing area and buy more Pez stuff at the factory store. It's open 7 days, plenty of free RV parking. You can even take a picture as if you're a Pez head. This has been RVGettingThere.com's Road Trip Candy of the Day. To make sure you get all the fun stops each and every day, like this video, follow us on Facebook or our YouTube channel, and make RVGettingThere.com your first stop of your journey to help make planning your road trip easier and more memorable. This is Rick from RVGettingThere.com wishing you make more memories per mile.